We're going to start with some shredded chicken. Go ahead and dump it on the bottom of our 9x13 that's been lightly greased. Spread it around. We're making a chicken and dumpling casserole, poor man style. Get it somewhat evenly over the bottom. I'm talking like this because my daughter is getting fussy, so just bear with me. And we're going to throw some garlic powder over that. Some pepper. And some salt. All right, and once you got your seasonings on there, we're going to pour some peas and carrots over the top of our chicken. If you don't want vegetables, you can leave this part out. I do want some veggies in there, so this is a 12-ounce bag that I'm putting over the top of the chicken. All right, y'all, so now it's time to make our dumpling layer. So we're going to go over here to our mixing bowl. We're going to throw in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a little bit of salt, and 1 cup of milk. We're gently going to stir that together. Now that we've gently mixed that together, we're going to gently pour it over our chicken, peas and carrots. Got beets on my mind apparently. Just pour it over that. Now you do not want to stir this. You want to let it go flat over it. That is an important part of this recipe. You do not want to stir into this. It needs to go on top. There we go. All right, get that on there. Now, if you do need to smooth it over, just take the bottom of a spoon and just gently smooth it over the top of that. Just gently. Okay, we got our dumpling layer smoothed over the top. So now we're going to go over and make our creamy broth layer. We have 2 cups of chicken broth, as well as 1 can of cream of chicken soup.
Gonna get every last bit.
Make sure and scrape it out. A lot of it's not wanting to come out. I know y'all have some good hacks for getting these out of here. I need to start implementing them. If y'all want to drop any hacks for getting stuff out of these cans. All right. Once you get all that cream of chicken soup off of there, we're going to gently whisk this together. All right, we've got that nice and mixed together. So we're going to pour it over our 9x13. Once again, you do not want to stir, just gently pour it so it kind of covers everything. There we go. And then finally, I melted 1 stick of butter that we're going to just drizzle over the top of that. Pray for us. All right, got the butter all over there. So we have the oven preheated to 375. We're going to throw it in there for 45 to 50 minutes until this top is a nice golden brown. 45 to 50 minutes at 375. Been like 50 minutes. Let's go ahead and take this thing out. Ooh, it's smelling really good. Ooh, look at that, y'all. That is looking awesome.
Yum.
Okay, so once we take it out, you want to let it sit for about 10 minutes and it'll kind of thicken up. Let it settle and thicken a little bit, and then we'll come back and try it. All right, let's give this a try. Ooh, look at that.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh, that looks awesome. That looks so good. I've never made anything like this. Kim would be proud.
Sure.
All right, moment of truth. Let's give it a try, people. Mmm. Y'all, this is just like some good comfort food, just like a good down-home recipe. If you want something that kind of fills up the soul, not just the belly, but the soul. This one right here. Try it at home.